Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, they say teamwork makes the dream work. Our Group MD is ably supported in this task by distinguished members of the EXCO who, she mentioned in her presentation, have a cumulative 150 plus years, and between them, an average of 20 years. That's incredible. That speaks of resilience, that speaks of commitment, it speaks of dedication, loyalty, and longevity. I would say it speaks of staying power. It's a formidable team indeed. So the next set of presentations on how Zenith Bank delivers quality service to customers and value to shareholders will be delivered by some members of the dream team. You'll get to meet all of them later in the program. To kick us off on the bank's technology strategy, as well as its trade and treasury business, is a man of timber and caliber, who was once managing director of Zenith Bank Ghana and is currently the ED for our subsidiary businesses. He's a distinguished chartered accountant who joined the bank in 1999. Some of us were still in school then. It's none other than Dr. Henry Oroh, Executive Director, Zenith Bank PLC. Please give him a warm welcome.
That was a riotous applause. And I thought that applause and more should be going to our inspiration chairman and founder, Dr. Jim Ovia, who has given us the platform. Our inspiration chairman and founder, Dr. Jim Ovia, distinguished capital market operators, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to you all. And please permit me to stand on the protocol already well established by our Group MD CEO, our adorable, amiable Group MD CEO. Thank you. She has also clearly and articulately presented our roadmap for growth in Zenith Bank. So my job this morning is pretty simple. Very, very simple. And just to elaborate around our digital journey, our IT transformation plan, and how we are driving our treasury products, our trade products to create value for our shareholders. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Thank you. Now, people, technology, and service has been the foundational points that have driven our business in the last over 3 decades. And we remain so. We are currently transforming our digital infrastructure, our IT infrastructure. We are trying to build a bank that is a modern bank, a digital bank, providing world-class banking services. And this change in our IT architecture is evolving the entire platform. The entire core banking is being transformed. The entire lending platform is being transformed. The entire trade platform is being transformed. And the entire treasury platform is being transformed. And this transformation will provide benefit to our customers, we provide benefit to our shareholders, and we improve the speed of processing customer data and responding to customer inquiries. I thought that's a good thing, and it's something I'm very excited about today, and I'm sure you will be. Now, this journey is also involving an upgrade in our entire data center. We are upgrading our data center to a Tier 3 uptime certification standard. What does that mean? It means 24/7, our channels will be open to connect to our customers. 24/7, there will be uninterrupted service. 24/7, our bank will be open to you wherever you are. And I dare tell you, there are no more than 1 or 2 banks that have that level of certification. All right? That is also a beautiful story, and that is a story I'm very proud of, and that is a story I expect you to be very proud of. Now, thank you very much. What that also does for us is to provide us a higher automation capability. It will give us an enablement to use AI to drive our business. Talking about cloud computing, we'll be doing more of that. Again, that is to the benefit of the customer, and that is to the benefit of all stakeholders. Like I said, the speed of processing of our data will be faster and better. Customer experience and user experience will be faster and better. Zenith Bank has become not just a bank, but a modern digital bank that is powered by the best IT infrastructure to drive growth into the next long future. Again, that is a very good thing. That is something I'm very proud and excited to be part of, and I guess you'll be proud of that also. Thank you. Now, what does it mean to you as a customer, as a stakeholder? It means for us as a bank, and especially for the investors, this technology, this improved platform, will create the ability to enhance our customer acquisition. Our customer retention will also be improved. And above all, we will generate customer enthusiasm, given the level of automation we are building. There's also going to be an increase in the adoption of various retail and digital channels. And revenues are accruing from this, especially the non-interest revenue. For a bank to do well, you need to grow your non-interest revenue. Interest income is given our balance sheet. But today, our non-interest revenue is beginning to compete even more with our interest revenues. That again is a very good thing. That is more value for stakeholders, and that is more value to any investor in Zenith Bank. Our robust technology will provide better integration and better collaboration with our strategic partners and the large fintechs, and also assure improvement in our payments and collection platform. Banking is about receiving and paying. So when we provide a seamless platform where the payment platform is uninterrupted, efficient, our collection platform is wide and deep, I think that is a very good thing as a bank. That is something that is very good, that will bring value to shareholders, and that is something I believe our customers will be very proud of. If you are proud of that, let me hear you. Thank you. Now, trade, we all know, is a big thing in our country. Today, Zenith Bank controls over 40%. And I say that again. Zenith Bank Nigeria controls over 40% of non-oil export repatriation into this country. Likewise, Zenith Bank controls over 25% of all import activities in the country, of over 20 banks. I think that again is a very good thing. How are we able to do that? We leverage on the synergies between Nigeria and our various subsidiaries. And we leverage on that to consolidate our leadership in export and in trade and other cross-border operations. And I dare say that beyond Nigeria, where we have over 400 branches, we are very strong in Ghana as a leading bank. We are strong in Gambia. We are strong in Sierra Leone. And we are using this platform to promote inter-African trade. And beyond Africa, we are also very strong in the UK. And the UK also provides us, the Zenith Bank, a corresponding banking relationship with all our customers that operate out of Europe and other parts of the continent. Establishment of LCs, advisory services, etc., etc. We're able to get all that done through our various subsidiaries. And I think that is a good thing. It's something I'm excited about, and it's something I expect every shareholder and every customer to be excited about. Beyond Zenith UK, we are in China, in Beijing, where we provide trade correspondent banking services to our customers in that region. We are in the UAE, and I dare say we're establishing our footprint more and more in Africa. We're looking at many more countries in Africa and around the world where we follow the money, follow our customers, and establish our presence to consolidate our leadership in our markets. Ladies and gentlemen, with respect to Treasury, and Treasury is something that is also a big thing. I dare say we have some of the best treasurers, and a lot of them are in the house today. Some of the best treasurers in the market in Nigeria. And that provides us a very diversified funding base. They're able to source funds, whether in dollar or in naira, from various sources and at very low cost. We're also able to use our retail platform to source funding, especially in the naira currency, across the market, and at what? A very low cost. And treasurers will know that that is a competitive advantage. It's an edge every bank needs. It's an edge we have. And it's an edge we'll continue to dominate. We also have very good outlets. Apart from the risk assets, given our very robust treasury, we're able also to invest in high quality liquid assets. And again, with very high yields. Very high yields. And that again brings value to every investor and to every shareholder here. Our strong liquidity, the regulatory requirement is 30%. But I dare tell you that our liquidity today ratio is north of 45%. North of 45%. And there are times in the very recent past where our liquidity ratio has gone north of 60%. Is it a good thing? Is that a good thing? Let me hear you say, it is a good thing. And it's something I'm very proud of, and it's something I believe every shareholder here will be very proud of. So our strong liquidity ratio, our compliant cash reserve ratios, our compliant capital adequacy ratios, our very low non-performing loan ratio, and that is also very critical. Very critical. Our chairman alluded to it, that our risk management is robust when we listen to the clips. Our NPL is about 4%, and that is about one of the lowest in the market, in spite of the size of our balance sheet. Is that a good thing? It is a good thing. It's something I'm very proud of, and it's something I'm very excited about, and it's something I believe every friend of Zenith Bank in the house should be very excited about. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do these numbers do? They provide us a platform to increase value exponentially to shareholders, to investors, exponentially. That has been our history. And if you look at our history, you can tell where we are going to. We are promising our investors and our customers an exponential growth in value. I have been in the house for over 25 years, and I know where I'm standing on. And I know what I'm standing on. Under the leadership of our inspirational chairman, under the leadership of our adorable Group MD CEO, Dr. Myoji, she said, over 150 years of executive experience. Tell me where I should get that. It's not available in this market. All this put together, it is with boldness and assurance that a man puts his 5 fingers on his chest to make a commitment. And we do make a commitment that for you stakeholders and investors of Zenith Bank, we will provide you exponential growth in your fund and value. It's not just something we can see. It is something we can feel. It's something we can touch. This is not just a promise. This is reality. Ladies and gentlemen, invest in value, invest in Zenith Bank. Thank you very much.